Assalamualaikum everyone, this is Hizwe once again with you. Happy Ramadan. Today I'm gonna show you. I have ordered a lot of things from one website, Timo. This is the jewelry which I ordered from website, some clothes, some makeup, some hair extension also, which I'm gonna show in my next video. But currently this jewelry I will show you. I will tell you what is the quality, and if you need the link you can comment me below. I will share the link for the product so you can buy as well. So here necklace piece which is very beautiful. I have ordered in the golden color. There was one in silver as well, and you can see it's adjustable from here. There are two holes as well where you can add the chains. So this piece I will give 10 by 10. It's in metal, it's not the plastic. So next one is this beautiful kada set. It's big in size for me. I ordered from Shein as well in silver. That was also big, but this is very good. I will send it to Pakistan to my mama, but this is also very good, and I will give 10 by 10 to it. Next are these beautiful earrings. In one packet there were 3 star, you can see Bali tops as well. In one packet there were 3. One is this, next one is this, there is butterfly, this Bali, this tops, and the third one is this one. I didn't unpack this one, you can clearly see this one. Next is this beautiful necklace. Just due to this only I have ordered these all things. I love this one. I have one in white tassel as well. If there are some other color I will definitely order that. You can bend from here. The material, it's very good. I will wear with black, orange, yellow color. Next one is these YSL earrings. This is not actually YSL, but these are very beautiful. If you want to buy anything for the brand, you can order from Shein. There are some bags for YSL, Gucci, and other LV as well. This beautiful kada. It's a single and it's adjustable. I can show you like this. It's very beautiful. It's also antique. So I will give 10 by 10. You can see this one as well. Okay, next are these beads bracelet. I don't prefer beads, but nowadays it's in trend, and these are very beautiful, so I bought this one as well. You can see the quality. Okay, next are these beautiful rings that I'm already wearing. You can see this one and this one as well. If I talk about the material it's plastic, but these are very good if you don't use the water. तो आप बहुत लंबे अरसे तक इसको use कर सकते हैं. These are very beautiful. The design is very good. Okay, the next one is these beautiful antique rings. These are 5 rings in one packet. It was I think for 6 to 7. There and see the design. Every ring has the different design. See this one and this one, how beautiful it is. These are very beautiful, and 5 in one packet. Next are these beautiful earrings. These are very small in size and antique, and I love these one as well. Then next is this beautiful necklace piece, which I am gonna wear with on my abaya, with my skirts, long skirts, and with the long shorts as well. It's long chained one, and it's pure antique. Oh my god, I'm in love with this packet. Last but not least, a bundle of rings in 4 to 5 dirham only, and there are a lot of a pair of rings you can use like this. I always make the pairs like this and I wear others. I will show you every single ring. See this one, I'm showing you the single ring so you can see what type of rings are in this packet. See this one, this is my most favorite one. See this one as well, and this one is a middle ring also. There are a lot of middle rings as well. So this was the whole jewelry which I bought from that website. Some are in plastic, but mostly are in metal and very good in design. If you need any product, just comment me. I will send the link below. Please like, subscribe, and keep watching me for more video. Thank you.